In this video, I want to start working on the crashes that we were having that were caused when we were in standalone, hosting a listen server, and then trying to connect. So it was kind of hit or miss, but it was related to the zombie. So let's go to our zombies game mode.cpp, and we need to uncomment our spawn zombie. So this way we can start doing it again, start actually figuring out, okay, where's the crash coming from, and more thoroughly just test. So let's go ahead and start rebuilding and give it a try. So I want to use 3 clients in standalone. So I'll take this guy, I'll host a listen server. Then I'll try to join on this one, see if we crash, and we did. Okay, so this is online. Let's go to the zombies game mode, 259. Actually, that is the spawn zombies area, so 259. Okay, that's showing right here. However, the line above is showing set barricade. So set barricade is called right here, and it's showing line 27. So line 27 is, this isn't something that should crash, so that kind of makes me think the AI controller at this point in time is actually invalid. So what we want to do is check the controller before we actually call set barricade. So let's take this, go after we spawn the zombie and set the default controller, and do our if statement. So if that is valid, then we move forward. And since we're already checking it and using it, let's go ahead and store it. So zombie AI controller. So we can copy that and just paste it down here. So once we've done that, let's go ahead, recompile and relaunch and test. Okay, once we are back in the editor, let's go ahead and test it a few more times. So we'll host a listen server, join it, and we crashed again. Okay. So now, okay, the crash is different. That's in our zombies tickable world subsystem on line 38. So subsystems, let's go to the CPP and line 38. So right here. And go figure, this is actually where we are getting the controller again. So in our case, I guess if the controller is invalid, we can just skip all this stuff anyways. So let's check it up top. So if the what was it? A zombie AI controller. Oh wait, no, it doesn't matter in this case. We just need the controller. So a controller. So controller equals zombie closest player data. We want the zombie pawn get controller. So then we can take our controller and use it down there as well. Okay. So let's give this a try and see where we're at. Okay, now that we're back in, same thing, give it another try. I think I just hosted a listen server. Let's see. Okay, so I connected. I'm going to do the same thing on this guy. Okay, seemed good there. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so it seems like the crashes that were related to the whole zombie spawning setup is now resolved. So it seems like maybe just the timing, the AI controller was being cleaned up at the wrong time or something like that. But regardless, we seem like we're good to go. And if we crash in the future, it's not a huge deal. We can go back and fix it if it is related still. But to be clear, the reason we did this up here and not down here is so that it never increments our zombie alive count. So we do want to do one more addition. So just in case, if this is invalid, we don't want the zombie to just stick around. So what we want to do is else we want to just take the zombie and destroy it. Now, I don't know if this is really necessary, And I'm curious if it's going to cause any problems. But basically, the idea is if for whatever reason the controller fails, we're just going to destroy the zombie, but it should really never actually fail. Only at the times where, we have these kind of cases, I guess, should it, well, fail. So let's make sure this is still good to go. And it seems like it. I'm just going to call it good. Like I said, if we have issues, we're still in development, we can go back and fix it. So with that out of the way, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.